I'm Gianna, and I will be unboxing this superhero pack called Do You Have Diarrhea from Purdue. Let me see what's inside. Ooh, this first thing that catches my eye is this black thing. What is this? You can see it says Purdue. Saw the logo. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I was right about the Purdue part. Oh, cool, it's a cape. And it says Vetter Humans from Purdue University. Just gonna set this off to the side here. See what else we have. We have a box. Ooh, there are cards in here. This is the expansion pack, looks like. Looks like these are the cards that you play with. So that's cool. Let me put this away real quick, so I'm not getting crowded with stuff. Ooh, look at this. A superhero thing only. I guess I'll read it and you guys can look for yourselves later. Pretty cool. You guys can look for it later, because I don't want to say it. And it looks like there's something else in here too, but I think that's just a piece of paper. But anyways, I'm going to go play with my siblings now, so see you guys later.